In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video overlay in Canva. This process is simple yet effective, allowing you to create eye-catching visuals with a professional touch. Let's dive right in. First, open Canva and head over to your project. You'll want to start by clicking on the Uploads tab on the left-hand panel. This is where you can bring in your own videos or any other media files you want to work with. So if you haven't uploaded your video yet, now's the time to do so. Once your video is uploaded, select the video you'd like to use as your base. With your video in view, right-click on it. A menu will pop up. From here, select the option labelled Set Video as Background. This action will anchor your video as the foundational layer of your project. Next, if you'd like to add another page with a different video, click on the Add Page button. You'll notice a new blank page appears. If you want to keep the creativity flowing, select another video from your uploads. Again, right-click on this new video and select Set Video as Background. By doing this, you're setting up layers of clips, giving you a foundation for a complex, engaging design. Now it's time to blend these visuals beautifully. Click back to the first video you selected originally, then resize it on your second page as per your design needs. Resizing helps maintain consistency and can emphasize certain parts of your visual narrative. Next, let's talk about transparency, a fantastic tool for creating overlays. Click the transparency option on the top menu and you'll see a slider appear. Adjust this transparency slider according to how pronounced you want your overlay effect to be. A subtle transparency can create depth and blend elements without losing focus on your primary video. Switch over to the first page, head to the Elements tab, type in Overlay in the search bar, and then select Videos to find some great overlay options to work with. Once you've picked an overlay that matches your vision, drag it onto your page and resize it to fit. The transparency setting can be adjusted again here. Set it to around 30 for a balanced and professional look. Finally, a crucial step is setting the duration for each video page. Adjust the time length to ensure everything flows smoothly within the storyboard of your presentation. Proper adjustments can make your project feel seamless and polished. And there you have it, a complete video overlay in Canva, enhancing your creations with layered depth and engaging elements. Feel free to explore further and make this technique your own as you get comfortable with the tools. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.